That money, the money is the motive. Oh, that money, the money is the motive. Oh, that money, the money should be folded. Oh, that money is the motive. Oh, that money is the motive. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing the song The Morning by The Weeknd. Alright, we're gonna play this in G, and we have a capo on fret number 2, okay? So we're playing G, and then we go to C, and then we have A minor, and then E minor. Oh, that money is the motive. Oh, that money is the motive. So we have G, money, oh, that money is the motive. G to C. So for G, I'm plucking strings 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then for C, it's 5, 4, 3, 2. And then you have A minor, 5, 4, 3, 2. E minor, 6, 4, 3, 2. Okay? Now these chords are in my chord video. If you don't know how to hold them, it's in the description, so you can go learn them there. Otherwise, if you want to strum this, you would be... Okay, so we have down, 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 and then down, down. But it sounds better when you pluck it. So that's pretty much the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Give a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video.